Hi guys, Archie Luxury channel, Paul Pluta channel in syndication. Today guys, I gotta do an unboxing. And I tell you this now, I have waited 10 years to get this watch. And let me explain. It is a Panerai. And I gotta tell you, it belongs, I'm acquiring it from my good friend Dave. And I gotta tell you the truth there. I've had a few downs at the moment, and Dave said, hey Arch, just come and pick up this pan, fix me up when you can. So I've kind of put a little bit down, a little bit of skin in the game, but I gotta pay Dave for the rest of it. So let's do this unboxing, and then we'll discuss the financial aspects later. So let's go. So firstly, why do I say I've been waiting 10 years? Well, I was working for a watch dealer in Bangkok from 2002 to 2004, and I remember thinking, I wouldn't mind a Panerai. I wanted to become a Paneristi. I wanted to be a Paneristi. So let the unboxing begin. So before we start there, okie dokie, drum roll, get this fucker unboxed. Okay, so firstly, we got the PAM. We've got the PAM. What the fuck are they put underneath here? I hate it when they stick a bit of tape under my box. I hate that. Why would you do that? You know, just absolutely tacky, very nasty done. So it's taken a. Oh, it's okay. Okay, so let's open. Drum roll. Let's get this baby unopened. Here we go. So it's a pretty nondescript sort of box. And then, it's got a drawer. Now, so that's the outer box. The outer box, this is the inner box. So the outer box itself there, yeah, just typical PAM fodder there. Then we've got the beautiful, this is the wooden tomb. Panerai. Now I've noticed I'm missing the foamy shit. I don't know why the fuck it hasn't got the foamy shit, but it doesn't really matter. It's got a nice black velvet bottom. And then we'll open this baby up. Voila! Official Panerai. And there we go. This is the PAM. So let's have a look here. What do we got? Well, guys, we've got, this is the PAM box. We've got a PAM. We've got the Velcro strap here. Looks like it's never been worn. We got the screwdriver, and we've got the tool here, the PAM tool. Now, what we might do is we'll just take this out. We'll come back to that in a minute. That's the meat in the sandwich. So then we've got the PAM booklets here themselves. So this here is on the Panerai Luminor Submersible. It just tells you about the range. It tells you how to take the bracelet off. Just usual shit like that there. Yep, that's the submersible booklet. Then we've got the guarantee. This is the guarantee. And basically it just, what does it say? Well, just usual shit there with the PAM. Then we've got this is the chronometer certificate. This is for when they it's the certificate for the chrono. Well, it's the, what is it for? Official control chronometer, not chronograph, chronometer. So this is the certificate for the timing, and that there, all very, very nicely done. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. And the most, that was actually the dealer it came from, the watch gallery. The watch gallery in the watch gallery. Okay, watch gallery, thewatchgallery.com.au. Thank you. And this is the card here. What the fuck has it got? Sticky tape on this fucking thing here. What the hell? Why has it? I don't get it. It's got some sticky tape. Just piss you. It's enough to piss you off, isn't it? You know? I might just leave that. Best not to dig at these fucking things. But there we go. That's the PAM card. And very importantly, on the back there, it tells you the, what the fuck does it say? What the fuck? It must be the serial number. It was sold in 2009. Where the fuck is that? Jarius! Where the fuck that is? I never heard of that. Where the fuck is that? I don't know. I don't know where the fuck that is. But anyhow, that's where it came from. So we put that back into here. That's our PAM. And then we can have a look here. So what tools have you got? Well, the PAM has got these tools here where you click to be able to remove the bracelet. This is how it works. It pushes in some fucking hell. How the fuck does this thing do it? Anyhow, it does it. That's the tools there. So I'll just leave these. I mean, fucking hell. That's the tools. Official Panerai tool there. Cool, that's fine. I've got the tools. I got the tools, man. That's the tools. And Scotty won't notice they're missing from his. And there you go. I'm only joking, Scotty, if you're watching. And there we have the PAM. The PAM Panaristi. I am now part of the alumni. I'm part of the Panaristi. The Panaristis. I'm now officially a Panaristi. A Panaristi. And I gotta say, I really do love this watch. I think it's a cool watch. I think it's incredibly cool. So let's have a look here. This is the PAM, the Submersible. It's on the rubber strap, and it's got the deployant buckle there. It's a bit of a bitch, and there we go. That's the back there. You can see the back of the PAM. So there we go. I think it's a great looking piece. It's no retail smell there. It's almost 10 years since it was new. So there we go. That's my PAM24. My PAM24, the Submersible. Now it's got a rotating bezel. It's a bit of a bitch. It's not like a Rolex bezel, but it is a very cool watch. I love it. I love my PAM. I love my PAM. It's quite thick and fucking chunky, like I like 'em. And there you go. That is my PAM. My PAM. My Panerai. My Panaristi. The PAM. So guys, that's how it goes. That's my unboxing. Remember, like, subscribe, tell your fuckhead friends, and don't forget, fuckers, Put a few negative comments down below. I'm Archie Luxury. Tell me what you fuckers think of that.
Okay. Can't take my eyes on me. My thoughts on me just grow and grow and grow. I am the best there is. I think that I'm so grand, so grand.
Hey guys, my name is Paul Pluta. I'm the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III, AC3. Guys, I need a bit of help. I need a bit of help. It's very hard running a YouTube channel relying on Google Ads alone. I'm in a special niche and I speak my mind, and I don't have all those Seiko wannabes, all the people who want assurance about their affordable shitters. So I've got to really try hard to bring in the revenue. Guys, if you like my content, if you think I'm a great chap to have around, why don't you help me out? There's a number of ways you can help me out. This will keep me full-time on YouTube. Look in the description of this video for some ways you can help me. You could sponsor me on Patreon. That allows you to send a small monthly amount to me every month. It can be $1, it can be $100, whatever you can afford. The next way you can help me is, well guys, I really need some money to keep things going. Paid reviews. On the Paul Pluta channel, I run paid reviews. For as little as $20 US, I'll give you an opinion of your collection, of what you're looking at. I'll try and answer. There's heaps of other ways you can help me. I do telephone consultancy. For $50 US, I will talk to you on Skype or WhatsApp and answer your horological or personal problems. Any questions, I'll give it a go. Now guys, please help us out. Look down below, and if you could help us out, I will stay here and make videos full time on YouTube.